Good morning to all. Respected Principal, Reverend Father Joby Verghese, Vice Principals, Reverend Father Noel, and Father Zito, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear friends. Today, we the students of Class 3E are going to conduct the morning assembly on the topic National Handloom Day, Threads of Identity. As we gather today, let us take a moment to calm our minds and thank God for this beautiful day. Now I invite our school choir to lead us in the prayer. A reading from the book of St. Paul to Galatians, chapter 3, verse 23. Whatever a task is, put yourself into it, as done for the Lord and not for the masters. This is the word of the Lord. Today, with a meaningful thought, I invite Sherwin for the thought for the day.
Woven with love tells the story of our culture and reminds us to value the work of our weavers. I repeat, every thread woven with love tells the story of our culture and reminds us to value the work of our weavers.
I invite others for a speech based on the topic Handloom Day.
Good morning, everyone. National Handloom Day is celebrated on 7th of honor Indian skilled weavers and a beautiful handwoven fabric. It reminds us to respect our tradition, support the people who keep our rich culture alive. For example, shows the beauty and culture of our state. Handloom is the symbol of simplicity, selflessness, and India's freedom love. Our responsibility is to preserve our culture for future generations by choosing handloom.
Invite my friends for a skit.
Every beautiful handloom fabric carries a story of patience, hard work, and tradition. Yet the people who create these masterpieces often struggle to earn. See why. Weaving is sari for a bit. Every thread is woven with care, but by now becoming fewer every year. People admire our work, but many choose cheaper machine-made clothes. Father, my school has asked us to buy three. Will be able to afford them? I hope so, my son. To the market. Welcome. Please have a look at the beautiful handloom collection. These sarees are lovely, but they are expensive. I will buy the cheaper machine-made one. Madam, the sarees handmade. Takes days to complete just one piece. Every purchase supports the weaver's family. I can save money by buying the machine-made clothes. C3. Awareness campaign conducted by the government. The government has to provide awareness to public for supporting local people. Friends, do you know that today, 7th August, it is celebrated as National Handloom Day? Is there a special day to celebrate Handloom Day?
Yes, we celebrate Handloom Day because handloom products are handmade and eco-friendly, durable, and they provide employment to thousands of weaving families. When we buy handloom, we are not just buying clothes, we are preserving our culture and helping hardworking families. Let's support our culture and heritage.
4. Awareness change mind in the shop. I heard your awareness talk. I like to see the handloom collection. This is beautiful. I can see the effort behind every design. From today onwards, I will choose handloom whenever possible. Every piece is woven by skilled weavers. Thank you. Your purchase will help my family continue the tradition. Thank you. Your support gives us hope. Handloom is more than fabric. It's India's heritage, woven with love, patience, and skill. When you choose handloom, you choose hope for thousands of families. Choose handloom.
Handloom Day.
Now I invite Ma'am Nitya to inspire us with her valuable words.
Respected fathers, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear students, a pleasant morning to all. Today, we celebrate National Handloom Day, a day that reminds us India's rich handloom tradition and the hardworking weavers to keep it alive. By every handloom woven fabric tells us a story of patience, skill, and hardworking weavers and our cultural heritage. By choosing handloom products, we not only preserving our culture but also supporting thousands of weavers across our nation. I hope today's assembly has inspired us to respect our culture and appreciate the effort of the weavers. Finally, I would like to congratulate Class 3E students and their class teacher, Ma'am Sneha, for the wonderful assembly presentation. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Have a good day. It tells a story of hard work and dreams fulfilled. To honor these young achievers, I respectfully invite our beloved principal to present the prizes. Zonal level skating competition, under 14 girls, Saitya S has secured first in 500 meter and second in 1000 meter. Athletics, under 14 girls, 600 meter, Avani Ajesh has secured second. Under 17 girls, 1500 meter and 3000 meter, second, Devangana has secured second. Regional level handball, under 14 girls, Sanjana Suresh, Sarya Satesh, Ananda Rene has secured second. Under 17 girls, Anunanda R and Lakshmi Devana S has secured second. Under 17 boys, Seyos Joseph Benny and Sanjay Madhav has secured first. Volleyball, under 14 boys, Siddharth S, Saharsh S, Arush KM, Imam Alladin, Anston, Ritwik Shivadas has secured second prize. Dear children, give them a great round of applause. Under 17 boys, Vasudev, Ridul R, Anson Shaju, Abbas, Aditya K. Vijay, Prajul Krishna has secured second prize. Under 19 boys, Angelo Arun, Sanjay Madhav, Christy Shitty has secured third prize. Swimming competition, under 14 girls, 4 into 100 meter freestyle relay. The girls have secured third prize. Sia has secured third prize. Yoga, under 14 boys, Rishwi MP secured gold medal in both artistic yogasana and traditional yogasana in the Kerala region level. And he has secured yogasana competition sub-junior conducted by Yoga Association of Kerala. He has secured first and third. Anna Zaira of second stage. Under 7 Girls Chess Championship 2026. First prize goes to Anna Zaira. Congratulations winners. Thank you.
Thank you, Father and Ma'am, for your inspiring words. Now it's time to stand together and show respect to our country. I invite M. Husway to lead the pledge, thereafter the school choir for the national anthem.
Yes, my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all those respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I guess my devotion. India will be a prosperity alone. Lies my hand. Jai Hind.